Class method decorator with self-arguments? How do I pass a class field to a decorator on a class method as an argument? What I want to do is something like, it complains that self does not exist for passing self.url to the decorator. Is there a way around this?
Yes. Instead of passing in the instance attribute at class definition time, check it at runtime. The decorator intercepts the method arguments. The first argument is the instance, so it reads the attribute off of that. You can pass in the attribute name as a string to the decorator and use getter if you don't want to hardcode the attribute name.
Output, my underscore rule 2, okay.
A more concise example might be as follows. Which will print.
Another option would be to abandon the syntactic sugar and decorate in the underscore init underscore of the class. Which would print.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.